First, good morning. Let's get ready for work with what I have in my closet. It's the basic layer. The sun is shining, but it's a bit cold outside. So, yeah, let's get ready. I'm going to wear this jean that I wear yesterday because I didn't feel like taking that. I didn't feel like looking for any other thing else. Okay, so let's just repeat. Let's just repeat this trousers. I'm so tired. It's not normal the way I'm tired. I'm just so exhausted. Hmm. This jean is getting tight. One of these days, I'm actually planning to go to the city and see if I can find a nice jean, a black jean. I'm planning to go to the H&M or the Zara. They always have sales. So I'm thinking maybe I could find something because most of my black jeans are getting tighter. And yeah, I got this from the Hamer long time ago. When I said long time ago. So now let's wear it. Hmm. This one here for now. The bra is a bit uncomfortable. I don't want the bra to show, but I also don't want to be uncomfortable working. Okay, I feel like this is okay. My necklace is not showing, and maybe I should wear the short one. I like it when it's like this when it shows it. This one goes in. Alright, let me change it. Let me change it. Okay? Let's wear this one. I only have three necklaces. One I got for my son, and I just rotate. When it comes to jewelry, the only thing I like to have different type of is earring. When it comes to necklace, watch, I only have two. I only have three necklaces. One I got for my son, and I have this other type of necklace. And watch, I only have like two type of watch. I'm not really a big jewelry fan. Earrings, of course, get them from AliExpress. All those nice. I got this really nice pink one. They're so beautiful. I'm not really into pink, but I saw this one. I'm like, oh, this is so cute. Look at this. Has a heart shape and also this one. Really nice, subtle, soft pink with gold details. I really, really love it. I thought, you know what? Maybe one day when I wear the pink dress that my daughters want me to wear so badly, I will have something to match with it. And I also thought if they also want to wear it, because sometimes I have those days where my daughter will come to my room like, Mom, can I get one of your earrings? I'm like, yeah, just take it. And she will take one of my earrings. So yeah. I'm sure if I don't wear it, the earring is not going to waste. Someone is going to wear it. So that part, I'm not really bothered. It was on sales. I was buying some hair for them, some expressions to do their braids because I'm doing braids on their hair. And then I was like, oh, I saw this earring. It was like €1 or something. I was like, hey, let me just add it to the list. And that was it, actually. And I really love them. It's really nice. I haven't wear them yet, but yeah, I love them. I have some lip gloss. Lip gloss is almost finished off. God, oh, I love this lip gloss. It's almost finished. Finito. What do I have with this perfume? Why this? things that always come out. You guys are the person next week. Mhm. Is that what I was looking for? Rose water. Guys. And my allergy is really disturbing me. Excuse me. Whew. I know that was quite a lot, but you can't do your face and forget yours. And forget your neck. Today I don't feel like combing my hair. I just want to go with it like this. I don't want it to be perfect. I don't want to have like this perfect afro. I just want to have something rough. Hand cream. Let's focus looking good. I don't have belts, so bring this dress downward. I feel like this match is perfectly matched. The shoe, the trousers, the dress, the top, kind of match. So yeah. Because yesterday when I took this out of the closet, I thought this pants will perfectly match. There'll be no need to start looking for another black pants. Let me just wear this pants. To be nice. Love it. So, simplest. This is the outfit look of the day. What do you guys think? I think you look good. You look good. Love the hair. I love my hair, but I can't wait to wear a wig. Just looking at this hair, I'm just thinking, if I'm gonna wear it like this, why can't I just relax it and do a pixie look? But then I was like, nah, I don't relax my hair. I want to grow my natural hair. Because my friends always laugh at me that I'm always cutting off my hair. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna grow my natural hair. I'm gonna grow my natural hair. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna grow it, but I want to. But you know, it's just hair. It's going to grow. It's not a big deal. So yeah, simple as heel erg bedankt voor de liefde en ondersteuning. Ik waardeer het echt. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really, really appreciate you all. This is the outfit for vandaag. This is the outfit look. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Same for us. Bye.